So I got myself a vanilla chai with sweet cold foam. This is like my favorite drink and it's so yummy. You girls need to try it if you haven't already, but this is my second favorite beside the pink drink. Channel. I'm Fabiola. If you don't know me, I create all kinds of pink beauty, fashion, and decor videos. If that's something you're into, make sure to click the subscribe button below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram at FabiolaGOfficial. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's haul video. This has been like the only way I can get myself to drink water from this cup. It literally keeps it ice cold for hours. I'm going to link it down below, but it is the Stanley cup and it's in this beautiful, perfect shade of pink. So as you saw for today's shopping vlog, I did go to a few different stores. I did end up going to Victoria's Secret, to the Pink store, Forever 21, Ulta, Sephora. I went to like Marshals. I was all over the place today. Let me go ahead and show you first what I got at Victoria's Secret. Like, I am beyond excited. So I did get a few items, so we're gonna go ahead and start off first with this super adorable little set right here. It reminds me so much of the advent calendar, but it's like a mini size, and this is like so adorable. So it's the Bombshell Original, the Seduction, and the Intense, which I think is so cute, and the reason why I got it is because of the packaging. It's so adorable, so I did get this. And then they came out with these adorable pink items for your skin and your hair, which I am super excited for. So I did pick up the Pomegranate and Lotus Balance Moisturizing Body Cream Wash. So it's like a body wash. I also picked up this one here. It's for the hair. It's the Intense Moisture Hair Mask. And then a hand cream. I always love to carry hand creams in my purse, like you never know. And here in the wintertime, my hands get super dry, so this is great. And then I also picked up from the same collection, I got the Pomegranate Lotus Balance Strengthening Hair Oil with coconut and argan oils, and it smells incredible. Like, oh, it smells so good. You're supposed to apply this like to the ends of your hair when it's still a little bit wet from coming out of the shower, but I love this collection. Like, I hope they keep it. And then of course I was able to find this super adorable little makeup bag, and it's pink. It has like sequins all through it. Like, how pretty this is. I love this so much. This has got to be like one of the prettiest little makeup bags that Victoria's Secret has come up with. And I did see that they had that little like satin little bag. It's almost like a makeup bag, but I didn't get it just because I didn't think it's something that I would use. And it's cute, but it wasn't like that cute to get, so I skipped on that. Also, I got this really cute set right here. It's lip balms and they are flavored, which I was very excited. So it comes with 2, 4, 5 gorgeous lip glosses: Kiwi Blush, Strawberry Fizz, Sugar High, Caramel Kiss, and Honey Shine. Also, this was all part of the sale. This is why I love waiting. Like, you see how many awesome items you get when you wait and then they go on sale. Like, this is my favorite time. And then I saw this as well. Like, this is so new. I love this. It's the Pomegranate and Lotus Balance. It is the Nourishing Dry Shampoo with Vitamin E. And it smells so incredible. Like, I can't wait to use this in my hair for like second day hair. This is great. So I did pick that up from the Victoria's Secret. So let's move on to the Pink store. Like I said, it is 2 different locations here where I live. So I did get this super adorable dress, and it was from the semi-annual sale, and it's in this like tie-dye, so it's like pink, and it has a tiny bit of like darker shade of pink. So it's like light pink and dark pink. It's ombre. It has long sleeves, and it has this like ruched detail here on the side. I don't know if you can see it, but isn't it so pretty? Like, when I saw this, I was like, this is so gorgeous. So I did pick this up, and this was only like 17 bucks, which I think was great. I also picked up the Cocoa Body Milk, the coconut oil hydrating body milk and shea butter. This is new. I've never seen this before, but I'm so excited because I love everything from their coconut collection. I also picked up these new 2 items, honey and lavender. It's a body scrub. I really want to smell this. Oh, this smells so incredible, just like lavender. Like, it's so soothing. Like, I can't wait to use this in the shower. And then I also picked up the soothing body oil to go with it. Also the same, the honey and lavender. But I think this is so amazing. Like, I love anything that's from Victoria's Secret or Pink from their skincare collection is amazing. And then of course I did get 2 of the $20 cards that you can use for future purchases. So one last thing that I got from the Pink store is this gorgeous blanket. It's like a Sherpa blanket, and it was also on sale. When I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness, like, I need to run and get this. It was only 2, so I ended up getting this super cozy blanket. Like, how beautiful. It's pink, and it says the word pink all over it, and it's Sherpa in the back. I can't wait to just cuddle with this, and it is absolutely stunning. Like, I'm so glad I found this. So let's move on to some makeup products. So I did go to Ulta. I also went to Sephora. Sephora had literally nothing from the new collection from Too Faced, and Ulta only had very limited amount of items. They were either sold out or they haven't put them out yet. So I did get 2 items from the new collection, Pinker Times Ahead. I did pick up the beautiful new palette, and I love this beautiful palette. Like, the colors are just to die for. They are absolutely stunning. Like, look at these beautiful shades. I can't wait to use this gorgeous palette. And I was on the hunt for the new blush, but they didn't have it in stock, so I will have to keep looking. But I also picked up this new little lipstick, and it's the Too Femme. Actually, I don't think this is new. I think it's from like the previous collection, but it's so pretty, and it's called Sweet Tea. And I got it because it's pink and it's shaped as a little heart. It's so beautiful, and it's almost like a balm. It has like a little bit of color and a little bit of lip balm in it, but I think it's so pretty. Here's the color. So from Marshals, I did go in there because I wanted to see what they had for Valentine's. I did get a bunch of Valentine's decor items, which I will do a totally separate video on that. I'll probably do like a Valentine's haul video just to share with you what I got for Valentine's and how I decorated my vanity. But let me show you just very quickly a couple beauty items that I picked up at Marshals. I did pick up this exfoliating round body scrubber. It is pink and I love these things. I get like one of these like every month and then you just like dispose of it, but this is so nice. Like it scrubs your body. And then I also picked up this super popular, I think it's called Gua Sha. I think that's how you say it, but it's a rose quartz Gua Sha face massager set. So it comes with two. It comes with like the original like heart-shaped one, and then this one here that you can use to contour and also help produce the collagen and tighten the skin, which I kind of need. But I am very excited to try these out. I know I've heard like a lot of good things about them, so I had to pick that up from Marshals. I almost forgot to show you this beautiful sweater that I found at Marshals. It is from Rae Dunn and it's in this beautiful pink color. It says happy. It's like embroidered in there and it's in this super soft material. It's absolutely stunning. Like I didn't know Rae Dunn made sweaters or clothing, but when I saw this I was like, this has to be Rae Dunn, and sure it is. It was Rae Dunn, but I think it's absolutely beautiful. Like how gorgeous is this? I can't wait to wear this. This was from Marshals. So I needed to get new sneakers and I went into the Nike store here in the area and I found these gorgeous pink sneakers. These are the Nike Air Max and they are so comfortable. I already worn them once, but I am so in love with this color pink. It's like the perfect shade of pink. It does have a little bit of white and then it has this really like thick sole. It's so comfy to walk in. It's literally like you're walking in air. So I'll try to see if I can find them and link them down below, but these are like the perfect shade of pink and they're gonna go perfect with a lot of my outfits that are pink. So next I have a gorgeous sweater that I got from Express. Express is my favorite place to shop. I always say this, but I found this adorable sweater. It is absolutely stunning. I don't know if the camera's picking up the color, but it is gorgeous. It's the perfect shade of pink and it's super soft, very fuzzy, and it has this like gorgeous lace detail right here in the front with like, it's almost like a V shape. It's absolutely stunning and I love this sweater so much. I did get it from Express. I'll link it down below, but I thought when I saw this, I'm like, oh my god, I need to get this. This is so me and it's pink and it's beautiful. So I got that. And then the last thing I got for today's haul video, I'm actually already using. These are the earrings that I got. They are the Tory Burch pearl earrings, and long story short, I used to own these earrings a couple years ago. I lost one and I never found it again, so I ended up only with one earring and I always saved it. I actually have it in my jewelry drawer right up there. But the reason why I got these again is because these were like my favorite go-to earrings. I love pearls and these just go with like anything. You can literally dress them up or down, wear any outfit just with pearl earrings. They look so luxurious, and these do come in rose gold or regular gold, so I will link them down below. But I was so happy to get these earrings back and be able to wear them. So this is everything that I got for today's haul video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you loved today's vlog video. I know I normally don't do many vlogs. I think I'm going to try doing a little bit more just because I really love going out window shopping and just checking to see what's up for sale. So if you like these kinds of videos, let me know in the comments down below. I'll definitely do more videos like this. I love you all so much and I'll see you all next time. Bye.